Welcome to my channel and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's the Mad Hatter with Mad Hatter Bags. I hope you're having a wonderful night and thank you so much for tuning in to watch my video. I do appreciate y'all. Y'all, today I have a really special unboxing of the Coach Empire 48 in the new Love Leather. So it's really beautiful and stunning. As soon as I saw this bag, I knew I wanted it and ordered it right away. Now, the Coach Empire made a really huge statement last year in fashion. It was the it bag of 2024. So now with this new Love Leather, it's even more stunning. So with that being said, I'm so excited to be able to open this bag and share it with y'all. And we're gonna go over some details and I'm gonna show you what the bag looks like, what it holds, what it fits. And I'm gonna do some mod shots with the bag as well so you can see what it looks like. Because I am 6'2", so you'll be able to see. Now this is the 48. This bag comes in many different sizes. Now I was actually gonna order just the 40 size in this bag, but then I thought about it and I was like, you know what? Go hard or go home. So I went ahead and ordered the 48. So I'm sure I'm gonna be happy with it because y'all know I love a big bag. Now let me get all this out of the way. Before I show you this bag, I do wanna say thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for tuning in again. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you love luxury and handbags as much as I do, y'all please go ahead and consider subscribing today by hitting that subscribe button and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, go ahead and hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on my TikTok channel and I post high quality images of a lot of the stuff that I review on my Instagram page. So y'all definitely check that out. For everything else Mad Hatter, y'all go ahead and check out my beacon links. It's the first link under my YouTube bio and you can find lots of great information there with shopping links as well. And lastly, if everybody could just take one moment to give this video a like with a thumbs up on this channel, I appreciate it. It does help the channel to grow. So let's go ahead and we're gonna unbox this beautiful Coach Empire 48. All right, y'all, so here is the box that it came in. It's super heavy. It just came today by UPS. And I was really excited to get it. I knew it was on its way, but I was really happy when it came just because I knew it was here. So let's get into it together. There is the tape holding it together here. I've got some scissors here. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Let's cut into it. All right, and God, this is a big bag. All right, so here we go. Gonna open it up together. All right, y'all, so there it is in the brown paper, and it has the little Coach logo on it there, as you can see. This is retail, so it's gonna be wrapped up a little bit nicer than some of the stuff that comes from the outlet, so I'm excited about that. This is one of my first retail bags from Coach. So let's get into it and see what I've got here. All right, and it does come in a dust bag, as you can see here. And here is the dust bag, really nice silky dust bag with the Coach logo on it there. So that is it, and as you can tell, this is a huge bag, which I'm gonna love. It also comes with this little Coach card on the inside here, and it says, thank you for shopping at Coach. So that was a really nice little touch. All right, so that was in the box here. Let me move this big box out of the way, and we're gonna see what we have here inside this beautiful dust bag. All right, y'all, so let's open it up together here. You have your little drawstrings here on the dust bag. All right, let's open it up. All right, y'all. So you know how we feel about a dust bag on this channel. It's just a damn dust bag. All right, here it is, y'all. And of course, it's wrapped up with all of the paper and plastic and everything on it. Look how big this bag is, y'all. Oh my gosh, it's wrapped up with everything. All right, I'm going to be able to take everything off of here and we're gonna get into some details on this bag and I'm gonna show you a little bit more, but that is her. Look at that beautiful Love Leather, y'all. All right, so give me just a minute to get everything unwrapped and we're gonna go over some details, do a 360, some mod shots, and see what fits in this beautiful big bag. All right, y'all, I got all of the packaging off this beautiful bag. Look at this, it's so stunningly beautiful. I'm really, really happy with it so far. Look at this beautiful tags that come on it and just that lovely coloring on it around that patina edge where it's brown and black. I just love that. I love the worn look of it. Just beautiful. All right, there's the other side of it. And then on the bottom here, you have your feet. And look at that leather, y'all. It's just beautiful. So it's kind of hard to see in my ring light here. I'm gonna turn the light down a little bit so that you can see a little bit more of the texture of this bag. There we go. So you can really see the color of it. There we go. All right, the glare on there is a little bit bad. Sorry about that, but that way you can see the beautiful color on it. There we go. I'm gonna have to post some pictures on my Instagram of this bag in some natural light because this ring light doesn't do it justice, y'all. It's so beautiful. And check out the next couple of days on my Instagram page. You're really gonna see some beautiful photos of this bag. All right, y'all, here's some close-ups of the bag. I'm gonna go a little bit closer so you can see some details on it. There is your Coach logo there. Really nice. Just look at that pretty color on there and around the handles too. I love the handles on it. I just love that coloring of that brown and that darker brown together. So nice. Let me show you each of the bag charms that comes with here. So you have your Coach tag here. It's a little bit oversized, which I love. You got this little piece here, and it has like a feather on it and a little rubbery piece there with a little bead. And then you have this little feather on there. So cute. I love that. I love that it looks real edgy and kind of goth. You got this other little piece here that is kind of just a leather little strap. It's attached to that. And then your other charm here is the little Rexy dinosaur skeleton. So that's really cute too. All right, and then you have this really nice skull. And y'all, this skull part on here is so heavy. This thing could knock somebody out. It's so heavy. But that's the skull on it. So that's all the charms together. And then you have this nice clochette here in black leather. So very, very nice. All right, let's move to the side here. You have your straps here that cinch it together. Love that. And I just love that color and detail on that color, y'all. Coach has really outdone themselves on this loved leather. There's the back of it. Let me move it a little bit closer so you can see it. I'm just in love, y'all. I'm just so happy with this. Just look at that beautiful coloring on there. And each one of these, from what I understand, is going to be different. So, all right, there's the other side of it there. Zoomed in. All right, and then let's go to the bottom of it. But just look at that beautiful leather. This leather feels really good too. And if you go in a little closer, you can see where it says it's the glove tan leather on it. So just beautiful leather. All right, y'all, so that is the outside of the bag. Let's go on the inside and I'll show you some more details. All right, y'all, let's open up this beautiful Coach Empire 48 and I'll show you the inside of it. Going to the top, you have this really nice zipper pull there in leather and a really nice long zipper along the top of it to open it up. Let's open that up. Okay, and let's open the inside up here. All right, y'all, so there is the inside of the bag. Really nice lining on the inside of this bag too. It's like a super soft, felty suede material. You have a really big pocket here that snaps closed. And then there is the Journey tag on it with Coach. And the interior of this bag is so spacious, I should be able to fit anything in here. I'm gonna show you everything I can fit, including my laptop. Then on the inside, you also have this little strap here that you can attach something to. All right, y'all, so that is the inside of the 48. Let's go ahead, I'm gonna show you the strap that come with it, and then I'm gonna show you some mod shots, and we'll see what fits in this bag. All right, y'all, here is the strap that come with it, and it comes with the dog leash style closure attachment pieces. And it's that really nice patina distressed brown leather as well. You do have a keeper that's attached there. I'll put on it. Just beautiful leather. And then on this side of the buckle, you have your Coach logoing on the buckle. Just look at that leather. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, so that is the longer crossbody strap that goes with it. So maybe we'll be able to wear it crossbody or at least over the shoulder. So from what I hear, this bag is really heavy when you put everything in it. So you probably need to keep the strap with you at all times. So let's try this bag on and see what it looks like. All right, y'all, here she is in all her glory. Beautiful, beautiful big bag. I'm really happy with it. I just think it's stunning and perfect size for me. And it'll carry pretty much everything, I'm pretty sure. But I love it, and I love the love leather on it. So let's put the crossbody strap on it, and we'll see what it looks like on crossbody. And to adjust it crossbody, there's some D-rings on the side here. We're just gonna attach those with the strap here. And then on the other side there as well. So there's your strap. Okay, and let's see what it looks like on crossbody. It should fit good. It looks like it's really long. This is not on the longest setting, but close to it, but it fits down perfect on me. As you can see, it goes way down. So this bag is gonna be perfect for me. Perfect size bag for a 6'2" person. I don't know, I'm just really, really in love with it. I think it's beautiful. Super comfortable too. The strap feels really nice over my shoulder. So that is it crossbody, and I think it would probably adjust to fit anybody. So I love this bag, y'all. All right, y'all, so that is the Empire 48 in this beautiful loved leather. Just love it. Love the charms that come on it. Y'all, please tell me what you think about this beauty in the comments. So I just love it. All right, y'all, so you got to see how she fits on crossbody and see how it fits me. I think it's a really nice size bag for me. Let's go ahead and see what all the bag will fit inside it. All right, y'all, here she is. We're gonna see what all fits down inside the Coach 48 here. I'm basically just gonna do like a little bag transfer, and we'll see what all will fit down inside her. Pretty much think everything I have will fit. So right now I'm carrying this LV bag here, so we're gonna swap out of that one into the big one. See if everything fits. I've got quite a bit of stuff in here. So let's start with the biggest thing, which would be my laptop here. See if that would fit in there. This is the new M4 MacBook Air, and it's the 15-inch size, so it will fit down in here, I'm sure. All right, so there is that. Easily fits. All right, and then I have my iPad here. We're gonna see if that will go down in there. I'm gonna see if that'll fit inside this pocket here. Okay, so it actually fits down in the pocket there, so that is perfect for that. All right, let's see what's next here. Got a wallet. Okay, I've got my Kirigami set here for my glasses cleaner. What else we got? I got all kind of stuff in here. I've got some lotion. Just really worried about the bigger stuff. Phone charger. Some other sunglasses case. Eye drops, AirPods. I mean, there's a ton of room in here. Some stethoscope for work. And then I have another glasses case for my main glasses. What else? A little nail kit. That's going to fit down in there too. I mean, I've got plenty of room, y'all. This doesn't even have anything in it hardly, and it's still got plenty of room. So this bag is going to be perfect. It is heavy though, but that is it. And it fit everything that I needed to have in it. So perfect for me for work or just every day. All right, y'all, so you got to see what would fit inside the Empire 48, and you got to see it on me a little bit to see how it fit. Now I am 6'2", so you can definitely compare that to me. And if you're shorter, you know, it's going to be a little bit bigger for you, so it might not be the bag for you, but they do come in all different sizes. I'm super in love with the leather. I love it. And I did order this other strap here I was going to show you. It's a nylon strap here with Coach on it and a little D-ring there for bag charms. It was on sale on the Coach website right now, so I got that as well. It comes in a couple different colors, but I got the black. So that'll be a little alternative strap to be able to use if I want to for something different on the bag or any other bag. So, but all right, y'all, that's my review for today on this beautiful Coach Empire 48 in this love leather. I just think it's beautiful and it feels awesome. Y'all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. And if everybody could just take a moment to give me a like on this video, I appreciate that. And y'all, I'll see y'all on my next video review. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.